If you're looking for a tower fan that's whisper quiet, energy efficient, and actually powerful enough to help cool a full room, then the Lasko TDC425 might be the fan you're looking for. Today we're diving deep into the WhisperForce DC motor technology, real-world performance. We'll go over all the features, pros and cons, and whether this may be a good addition for your home. So with that said, let's get started. Now, what makes the TDC425 special? The star of the show is obviously Lasko's WhisperForce DC motor. This isn't your typical AC motor. It's engineered for ultra-quiet operation and serious efficiency. According to Lasko, the TDC425 runs as low as 24 dBAs, which in a decibel scale can be considered quieter than a library. I will admit this is quiet in the lower levels, but obviously as you reach higher fan levels, this will make a little more noise. So don't expect to put this on level 12, which is the highest, and for it to be dead silent, because that's not going to happen. But I will admit this has been one of the quietest fans I've ever owned, that's for sure. Now it also supposedly uses 50% less energy compared to older Lasko AC models like the T42215. That means cooler air, lower noise, and lower power bills. You can feel comfortable leaving this fan on for most of the day without thinking about your light bill going sky high. Now this fan moves air up to 25 feet per second, and with its 90-degree wide oscillation, it easily covers large rooms, bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, you name it. In real use, you can feel the airflow across the room without needing to crank it to max speed. I normally keep this at level 7 or 8, which means it's not too loud, but it gives you enough airflow to feel the difference in the room. The TDC425 gives you 12 fan speeds, ranging from whisper quiet to turbo mode. But this fan does more than that. Here's all the controls features included with the Lasko TDC425. In the controls, you have the power button, which you press to turn on and off, obviously. But if you press and hold the button for 3 seconds, you will activate the child lock. This will lock the control panel and will prevent accidental settings changes. Hold the button for another 3 seconds to deactivate the child lock, or you can simply unplug the fan as well. You get the oscillation button, which starts and stops the oscillation. You get the timer button. You can set the timer up to 12 hours. The first 2 hours will increase in 30-minute increments. Continue pressing the button until the desired time setting is reached. You get the fan speed button, which can set the speed anywhere from speeds 1 through 12. Just continue pressing the button until the desired speed is reached. Now you also get a display dimmer button, which you press to dim or turn off the display. You can choose between 4 different brightness levels, which are full brightness, medium, low, or off. You have the mode button, which you can choose from auto, nature, sleep, and custom mode. You have auto mode, which is when the fan speed adapts to the ambient air temperature of the room. Nature mode, which is when the fan replicates nature wind patterns by adjusting its speed randomly. Those who enjoy the nature breeze may find this mode quite delightful. You have sleep mode, which will shut off and the speed will gradually decrease as you sleep. And you have custom mode, which is when you choose your desired speed, oscillation, and display settings. This is the mode I normally use. The numerical display will show you the ambient temperature of the room, the fan speed, and the timer settings. And finally, if you press and hold the mode button for 10 seconds, this will change the temperature reading from Celsius to Fahrenheit, or vice versa. The touch controls feel modern, and the display automatically dims so it won't light up your room at night. The TDC425 stands at about 41.75 inches tall, with a slim profile that fits easily in corners. It includes a built-in carry handle, making it simple to move from room to room. The remote control even stores neatly on the back of the fan, a small detail that makes a big difference. This way you don't lose it so easily. And like most modern Lasko fans, the TDC425 uses their blue plug safety technology designed to cut power quickly in the event of an electrical fault. Now you also get a remote which lets you control everything from across the room: speed, oscillation modes, and timer. But just like anything else, this does have its pros and cons. So let's go over those. And we'll start with the pros. And the first one would be whisper quiet operation. As mentioned, this is a quiet fan. I actually bought this to replace another Lasko fan, which is one of my favorites, but that is actually quite loud. I'll do a video on that one later. So I definitely do prefer this one since it's much quieter. So that is a major pro. Another pro would be the strong airflow, which is up to 25 feet per second. Now again, I normally keep it about level 7 or 8, but it makes a big difference in any room that I put this fan in. Another big pro would obviously be the 12 speeds plus the 4 comfort modes. That's a lot of features that not a lot of fans offer. Another pro is the energy efficient DC motor, its sleek touch controls and dimming display, child lock, and the blue plug safety. And plus you get the remote control, which comes with onboard storage. So it has many pros, that's for sure. Now let's look at the few cons. And one of them would be the no air filter included. This means that this will be getting dirty and you will have to be cleaning it more often than you would with a fan with an air filter, which catches a lot of the dust and particles in the air. Another con would be the touch controls. Now this may or may not be a con for some, but I put this as a con because it can take a bit of time to get used to the touchscreen. I haven't fully gotten used to it myself. I almost want to press down on it and hear a button pop into place, but it's a touchscreen, so you have to get used to the touch controls. Some users prefer more traditional buttons or a knob, but again, this may not even be a con at all. To be honest, those are all the cons I can think of. The Lasko TDC425 is one of the best value tower fans you can buy if you want quiet performance, strong airflow, and modern features without spending a fortune. I believe I paid around $70 to $75 US for this one, and I've been quite pleased with it so far. Their WhisperForce DC technology really delivers. Quieter, cooler, and supposedly more efficient. I guess that all depends on how long you use it every day and at what speed. So far, I will give this fan an 8 out of 10. I would have liked it to come with a filter of some sort. That way you don't have to be cleaning it too often. But regardless, this is a great fan and I've enjoyed it since day one. And I certainly like that 90-degree wide oscillation. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical gear breakdowns, and drop a comment. Let me know if you have this model and what do you think about it? What do you rate it? Do you love it or hate it? Anyways, that is all I have for y'all today. Stay cool and I'll see you in the next one.